Hi all, welcome to the most demanding Selenium course in the industry. I'm Raman, your instructor from the course. I'm having 13 plus years of experience in software testing itself. I am working as a corporate trainer as well, and I've given many training in India, in London, in Singapore, in New York to various companies like Shutterstock, like Spoken Communications, NIT Technologies. There are a number of companies where I have provided corporate trainings on various automation tools like Selenium, Appium, Protector, API testing, and then I have also handled automation teams and implemented many automation frameworks as well. So before we get started, let me give you an overview of what all we are going to cover in this course and how the course will benefit you in learning automation and cracking complex automation interviews. Before that, if I talk about this course is basically divided into two parts. Two parts, as in the first part of the course will gonna cover everything that we need to learn in Selenium from basics till expert level, right? So, and all the integrated components that you may have heard about, like Ant, Maven, then something like a CI tool called as Jenkins, Dockers, right, and many automation frameworks like we talk about data driven. You may have heard about a hybrid framework, a keyword driven framework, page object model, which is very widely used in the industry, page factories. 90% of the companies are working on these automation frameworks. And then we will be including CucumberBDD approach as well. So there is a very huge market for Cucumber as well. BDD is also very majorly used in the industry, basically the behavior driven approach. Then some of the Java frameworks that we're going to include in this course, which is actually the base for these automation frameworks, are JUnit and TestNG. TestNG is what we are going to widely used. TestNG is widely used in the industry, so we are going to include it majorly in our automation frameworks, right? So our focus will majorly be on TestNG. This is one of the Java framework, and we'll be working on latest topics of Selenium 3.0, which is the current version of Selenium in the market. Although this course is the first course on Udemy and it covers 100 plus hours of topics, which no other Selenium course in the industry covers in this much depth. So you may gonna find topics from Selenium 2 as well and Selenium 1 as well, right? But the major part of this course we're going to focus on Selenium 3 because that is what currently market is working on. So we will be designing major frameworks. We will be working on live projects as well, right? So like if I talk about the second part of this course, I have actually named it as automation architect with 7 live projects. Yes. So this is one of the in-depth course in the industry, and it is very unique course. You'll not find these much topic covered anywhere else in any other training program. So this 7 live projects is basically 7 huge framework implementations on different projects, right? So I have actually designed like all the frameworks from ground level, like coding. You're gonna see a lot of coding which will be done in front of you from very scratch till the end level of the entire project is being designed, right? So from the beginning till end, we're gonna learn the framework designing concept on 7 live projects as well. So this course focuses majorly on the architect level topics, where we'll see detailed implementation of 7 projects with many frameworks and approaches covered, which will include parallel execution frameworks, and then multi-threading, Java generic, then virtual environment like Dockers. And the base of all is you will get in-depth knowledge on core Java. That will cover the basic topics, that basic if, else, loops, arrays, basic OOP concepts, inheritance, polymorphism, abstract classes, collections, reflections, and many more topics related to Java. That is like file handling, log4j for generating logs, sending automated emails using JAVAMAIL API, generating interactive reports using ReportNG, extend reports, right, which is very widely used in the industry. So that is the reason I said it's a huge course and will make you an expert in Selenium automation. So if you're coming from any background, be it like I know 90% of the people who join this course are from manual testing background, and then there are some developers as well. So if you're coming from any background, be it manual testing, be it you are a developer or a project manager or a UAT guy, this course will cover all topics from scratch and will go till expert level of each content. So to be very honest, if you thoroughly go through all topics covered in this course, you should be able to justify 3+ years of your current experience in Selenium easily. Right. So not only this, the best advantage of this course is the level of support you're gonna get in your queries and the automation project. So whenever you are stuck with, you can add your queries in the question and answer section provided in your course. Not only this, I'm gonna give you my direct support as well, right? So direct support, like with the help of Skype, you can add me on Skype and you can ping me anytime whenever you have doubt or whenever you are stuck with any query. You can directly approach me, and if required, I can do a personal screen share session with you. So screen share as in there are some open source softwares available, something called as TeamViewer, right, through which I can take a remote of your machine, and if you are stuck with any installation part, or like in case you need any assistance in understanding any code or any logic, then I can even take a remote of your machine and I can fix the issue that you are facing directly on your machine as well. So 90% of the queries, the turnaround time is less than 12 hours, and even it is very quick at times. When I'm available online, you'll see that I'm responding on the queries. As soon as you post it, within few minutes you'll get respond on your queries. So being the biggest Selenium course in the industry, I'll always make sure to update the course with latest API changes. So anything that you need to learn in Selenium, you'll find that topic in this course. And if not, then you can message me. And if the topic is relevant, then I'll definitely gonna include in this course. So you will be provided with many practical exercises and assignments during the course as well, which will keep you motivated in learning advanced technologies and which are used in this course itself. So that is all about the overview of this course. Then you can see, I mean, it's a huge course. Even if you look at the Java part, I have tried to cover in-depth core Java, which is actually required for Selenium. So if in case you are coming from a manual background where you don't have any prior programming experience, so this is the course for you. You need not to join any other separate core Java course in order to take this course. So I've made sure that everything is covered, for a person who is beginning to Selenium and he is not having any prior programming knowledge. So he can take this course, start following the lectures from the beginning, and go up till the advanced level of this course, where we are actually including the topics from latest Selenium 3 as well. The configuration is done on Windows as well as on Mac. So if you are having a Mac operating system, then also you should be able to configure things on Mac, and you should be able to get started. The other best part of this course is that I do conduct online live sessions, like an online training on Selenium. So I have included my live batch recordings as well in this course. So these are basically recordings from the interactive sessions, where you're going to see that how students, they actually ask queries, and at the same time they get their answers as well. So you can go through these interactive sessions recordings in this course as well. So yeah, this is all about the course. Just try to go through the topics that I've listed down in the course. And if in case you need any suggestions or any assistance before joining the course, then you can directly get in touch with me over Skype. My Skype ID is Selenium Coaching, right? So you can ping me on Skype, you can have a direct chat with me, and what all doubts and queries you have, I should be able to resolve that, right? So thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the course.